Welcome to Nature Beauty. Today, we're diving into the captivating world of roses. From their stunning beauty to their symbolic meanings, roses have a lot to offer. The history of roses. Did you know roses have been around for over 35 million years? Ancient civilizations like the Greeks and Romans adored them. They were used in ceremonies as perfume and even as confetti. Types of roses. There are over 300 species and thousands of cultivars. Hybrid tea roses are known for their large blooms and long stems. Floribunda roses produce clusters of flowers, perfect for gardens. Climbing roses can adorn walls and trellises, adding vertical beauty to your space. Symbolism and meanings. What do roses symbolize? Red roses symbolize love and passion. White roses represent purity and new beginnings. Yellow roses convey friendship and joy. Pink roses are often associated with gratitude and admiration. Interesting facts. Fun facts about roses. The world's oldest living rose is over 1,000 years old and grows on a wall in Germany. Roses are edible! You can use rose petals in salads or to make rose water. The rose is the national flower of the United States, the United Kingdom, and several other countries. Roses in culture. Roses in art and literature. Roses have inspired countless works of art and literature. Shakespeare mentioned roses over 50 times in his plays and sonnets. The famous phrase, "A rose by any other name would smell as sweet," comes from Romeo and Juliet. Why roses matter. Roses aren't just beautiful. They enrich our lives with their history, symbolism, and utility. Whether you're a gardener, a lover, or just someone who appreciates beauty, roses have something for you. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Nature Beauty. Let us know in the comments your favorite type of rose or a special rose story you'd like to share. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.